Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. In Chennai, 5 spectators died and over 100 were hospitalized due to dehydration at an air show held to celebrate the 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. The air show by IAF turned tragic after the combination of high temperatures and overcrowding. The IAF show came to a standstill due to a poor coordination by traffic authorities. Even after the event, the massive crowd gathered at the Marina Beach struggled to disperse. Amid the escalating tensions in West Asia, the Israeli forces bombed Hezbollah targets in Lebanon and attacked a Gaza hospital as they marked the one-year anniversary of the fighting with Hamas. Hezbollah also launched rockets late on Sunday, which breached Israeli air defense systems and struck the country's third largest city, Haifa, causing damage to buildings and injuring 10 people. At least 2 Chinese nationals were killed and 10 others were injured in Karachi in a massive explosion near their Jinnah International Airport. The Chinese embassy in Pakistan said that the incident happened at 11 p.m. local time when a tanker exploded outside Jinnah International Airport. The banned outfit, Balochistan Liberation Army, has claimed the responsibility for the suicide bombing that had targeted a high-level convoy of Chinese engineers and investors arriving from Karachi airport. The Maldivian President, Mohammad Mizu, has arrived in New Delhi for his first bilateral visit. He has said that Maldives will not act to undermine India's security. He also said that they view New Delhi as a valued partner and friend. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju, in an interview with IANS, has accused the Congress of dividing the Hindus and appeasing the Muslims. Mr. Rijiju said that the Congress uses Muslims as a vote bank, which is a huge loss for the Muslims. He also wrote on his social media platform X that it is his warning for Muslims to not become vote banks for Congress and warning for Hindus to not become victims of divide and rule politics of the Congress party. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.